Hey, Jake with B&H, NAB 2019, still going here, day 2. I am at Tokina with Ryan, where we have some pretty cool cinema lenses to talk about. First off, let's talk about these ones. These are your Vista Primes. Yes?
Yeah.
Tell me about these a little bit.
So these are the Tokina Vista Primes. They're a full set of 6 lenses that is a prime lenses. They're a T1.5 aperture, so they're fast aperture across the entire set. They are cinema gearing, so they all have cinema gears for focus and iris. And they're matched across the position, so you can see they're all the same iris position, gear position, so it makes for fast changes of lenses. They have a 114 front diameter. These lenses cover well beyond full frame. They'll cover VistaVision as well as all the way up to 65mm digital format. So they're big image circle, fast primes. We never say zero, but we believe zero chromatic aberration, and the science backs, the tests back that up. So yeah, so it's a great set, very popular.
Yeah, awesome. And special announcement here at NAB, exclusive, we have the Vista One.
Yeah, the Vista
Okay,
One.
what do we got here?
Yeah, Vista One are a new limited edition series from Tokina Cinema. They have a single coated front element, which provides a lot more bluish purple flare. The standard Vista Primes have a more green-blue flare. These ones have a purple-blue, a lot more diffusion to light sources. They're kind of an art lens. But what's interesting about them, instead of being uncoated, sometimes companies do uncoated lenses for like an art look. You lose a lot of resolution there. So in contrast, you get a lot of no data. So this one, as you transition from off-axis lighting where you get the crazy flares, you go on axis, it looks like a normal Vista Prime almost. So you can retain the resolution, but you still get a nice soft bloom to your highlights, and really interesting look, and been very popular here at the show.
Has this been a reaction to requests from filmmakers?
Yeah, so we spend a lot of time talking to filmmakers, directors of photography, from all the way from feature films all the way down to independent production, and all of them say, we love vintage lenses, but the images are soft. So we recognize the need for high resolution primes that also provided a pleasing flare and look to them. So the initial delivery will take place in August of this year, and then there'll be a wider release following in 2020-21. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
And these are already in stock. These are shipping?
Yes, these are available in shipping, and then you can also find these for pre-order as well.
Awesome, thank you, Ryan. Appreciate the time. Awesome. Jake with B&H, NAB 2019. Just keep shooting. It's substantial. I don't mind heavy. Heavy means it's good and it works. And there's good glass in here. I don't mind that.